Hello everyone. I am Ekta Agarwal, Vastu consultant, numerologist, dowsing expert, and chakra healer. Um, I do Vastu. Today I want to share very beautiful success story, which has really touched my heart. So, last year a client came to me that her son is having depression to a very high extent. रात भर वो बच्चा सोता नहीं था. ही वॉज इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड एंड उस बच्चे को ही वॉज वेरी फियरफुल ओवरनाइट एंड डिप्रेशन इतना हाई एक्सटेंट तक था कि ही कुड नॉट स्टडी एंड ही वॉज इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड एंड ही ड्रॉप्ड द एग्ज़ाम ऑफ 12th and started to reappear in the exam. So the mother, she called me for a Vastu visit. I went to the house, and after a site visit, I saw the map of the house, and with marking the directions, I found that the child was sleeping in a very very wrong zone. जैसे हमारे टाइम रामायण के टाइम पे एक कोप भवन बोलते थे, जहाँ पे कैकेयी जी नाराज़ हुई तो वो उस कोप भवन में गई. तो वैसे ही हमारे घर में कोई एक जोन है जहाँ पे इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग टर्म पे हम टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं तो वहाँ पे हमारे को इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स आने की पूरी चांसेस होते हैं. फिर द चाइल्ड वॉज स्लीपिंग इन अ वेरी रॉन्ग जोन. टुगेदर विद दैट, अगर हम कलर्स की बात करें तो जैसे कि हमारे को मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल किसी को वेज फूड पसंद है और हमने उसको अगर नॉन वेज फूड दे दिया, तो हाउ वुड ही रिएक्ट? इन द सेम वे दैट डायरेक्शन वॉज totally in wrong color. The color which was present in the direction was anti-color. So that was the second flaw. Third was प्लेसमेंट ऑफ एक्टिविटी. अगर हम एक्टिविटीज़ की बात करें तो वहाँ पे नेगेटिव एक्टिविटी, लाइक वहाँ पे एक टॉयलेट की भी प्रेजेंस थी. तो देन आई started with the remedy zone. I shifted the child to some other room, and which was favorable according to his birth chart. Then I told the mother of the child to remove the color, and if she could not remove the color, then I asked her to replace the color by placing other color, favorable color chart paper, right? After that, we treated the toilet without demolishing the toilet. We had done the treatment of the toilet, and we put the medicines in a recovery zone and asked the child to spend some of the time in a relaxation zone. हमारे घर में ऐसी भी एक जोन है जहाँ पे हम मेंटल पीस, मेंटल रिलैक्सेशन मिलती है हमारे को. After doing these things, the mother called me up after 25 days that the child has started sleeping overnight and he is feeling better to 40%, and so on. So that was a good achievement to me, that the recovery has started. After that, I gave some remedies related to moon, and according to the Astro Vastu chart of the child. And then within 2 months of time, the mother called me up and was very thankful to me for that the medicine of the child is reduced to 70%. That was really a great achievement to me because it was connected to a child. And अगर बच्चों को कुछ इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स आती है तो we get more connected to those kids कि they should not suffer like that unnecessary. अगर वास्तु डिफेक्ट की वजह से अगर कोई बच्चा परेशान हो रहा है या तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. Then we did all this to the child, and now he has done with the exams and gone through the papers, and he's cured to very good extent. So I would like to thank to Almighty, thank to Vastu and universe for giving such a great result. Thank you.